What is up, guys? Today we will be playing Animal Company with my good friend Frog.
What is up, guys?
Also, today we're gonna be mining and just having fun, and hopefully, like, not killing each other or not getting scared. I know today's not a plushie video, but if you read my description, it says I do like all kinds of stuff, and also some of my videos are like
I know the way to the mines, so just follow me, okay?
Okay, I'm not done with the intro. Anyways, like I was saying before Froggy interrupted me, I do all stuff. I do Roblox videos, plushie videos, I do everything, mostly gaming. So yeah, let's get straight into mining. Want to say anything?
Andiamo.
Andiamo?
That means let's go in Italian. So.
Oh. Okay.
I got your pickaxe.
I didn't bring. Don't recall bringing it with me. But let's see what I have in my stash. Let's see. Oh, I have a big flashlight. Actually, what's in this backpack? Hold on. Foggy?
Yes, I am here.
I'm gonna see what's in this backpack that I have randomly. Just a big flashlight.
Here.
Wait, hold on.
Here, I'll buy you a pickaxe. Do you need a pickaxe? I'll buy you.
Yeah, I'll just bring this bag with me. I'll just bring this bag. Wait, actually, I'm gonna. No, okay.
Then.
And yeah. Oh, wait, I have another big flashlight. Do you want another big flashlight?
No, I'm good. Wait, you know what? Yeah, no. That could be for you. All right, follow me.
All right. So going over here, guys, and let's explain more about my YouTube channel.
Okay, now just follow me because the spider can't get to us.
Okay. I don't only do plushie videos. I do like Roblox videos, gaming videos, sometimes Fortnite videos, edits, all that type of stuff. Because, yeah.
All right, shine it.
Shine bright like a diamond. Alright, we're only looking for gold this video. We're only looking for gold. Right, Foggy? Only gold. Why did he just fall down there? That's gold. Foggy? Foggy! What? As a child, I yearned for the mines. Whoa. Gold! Foggy, I found gold! Let me get my pickaxe out.
I know.
I'm gonna get some of this. What is it? Don't take my gold. Hold on, I'm gonna get the rest of this.
That was mine.
I'm gonna get the rest of this. Don't take it. Okay.
You would take the ores.
I know what to do. Ugh.
Oh, yo, these are rare to find. I actually found a white ore. That's good.
Alright, wait, let me get one. Hold on, let me take my pickaxe out.
They're actually so rare.
Wait,
I found a big one. Oh my god. Bro, what is our luck?
Okay. Oh, my gold is running away from me.
There.
Give me my gold. I have my headset plugged in right now, so.
Well, okay.
Okay.
Alright, look, Anthony, look.
Huh.
Look, so there's a big crystal right here, and that can send us home. Like, watch. Look, it's on the other side.
Hold on.
That, like, those shards that you see, this can bring us home.
Oh, wait, let me get some gold. Can I get some gold?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, what the heck? Bill, I need to unplug my headset.
Wait, you have my pickaxe. You have my pickaxe.
Alright, I'm unplugging my Oculus because
you have my. Bro.
No, this is my pickaxe.
Then where's mine? Oh.
Bruh.
Oh. No, don't take my gold. Do not take my gold.
Bro, you have so much gold. Let me get some gold, dude.
I am. Nope. Oh my god. Stop it.
Yo, I just got such a big.
More gold. More gold.
Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, where's my pickaxe? Where the heck is my pickaxe?
It's probably in your bag. Just check your bag.
Oh yeah, it is. You're right.
Okay.
Okay, my diamonds are also fine. My. No.
Oh, and also when you mine the golden ores, you could get coins too.
I know.
Oh, so you do.
I kind of lost my big flashlight and it's pitch dark, so. Where the heck am I?
Wait, I found more gold. Oh wait.
I lost my flashlight. I can't see.
Turn up your brightness just a tad bit.
Alright, let me see. Let me do that.
I need to mine. I'm gonna mine these white ores.
My brightness.
Bro, if I swear.
My brightness is all the way up, dude.
How can you? Oh, let's go. Wait, 2? Oh, crap. Nope.
Let me look for some.
Holy crap. Oh, just a tip. The white ores are better than the gold.
Yo, we should go back for maybe a flashlight, cause.
You go. I'm gonna continue mining.
Are you sure?
Don't worry, I'll still be here.
Actually, I found more gold and more.
Stay. You can stay if you want.
Hold on. Bruh, I hate this stupid. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, a box.
Oh my god, bro.
Anthony, I found a box.
A lockbox?
Look.
The hell you actually just scared me for a second. Oh my god, bro. This stupid thing.
Wait, look, a camera.
Nice, I love cameras.
Let me take a pic of you. Give me your best fit. Oh, stop! What the hell?
I didn't give you my consent. Hey, hold on, let me take a picture of you. Wait, this is what we could use to look around.
White ores. Anthony, come here.
Where are you?
I'm right.
How do you take pictures with this thing?
Anthony, come back. Come here. Where are you?
I'm where the...
Why'd you... Bro.
I'm going back home.
Alright, go back home.
I need to get a flashlight because I can't see poop. Actually, no, I need some more diamonds. Where are my diamonds falling? Oh, okay. I'm just going to take these.
Move, bro. It's golden ore. Stop running.
Wait, where the heck is my pickaxe?
I don't know, Anthony. That's a
in my
really
backpack?
great question.
Hold on, I'm gonna. Oh wait.
Oh my god. Wait, I found
I'm going to get a flashlight, Vinny. get a flashlight for me and my friend Foggy. And let's go to my stash. Right.
Anthony, do you still know the way to the mine?
I don't actually. Yes. Actually, I think I do, and I think I don't.
Well, you don't?
I don't think so.
Get to the mine, just go straight.
Alright.
Okay? Remember.
Yeah. Holy poop. I'm putting this in my backpack. Alright. No way. Froggy, I have a problem.
What's the problem?
There's a sign that says no way, so I don't think I could go in. And it keeps saying no way, so I don't think I could go in, sadly. Oh, no way, I can't do that. Hello? Hello?
Still here!
Where are you?
I'm in the mine.
Yeah, but I have a problem.
I'm coming back.
Alright, you could handle it. Why don't the... Okay, we went past the no way. I gotta wait. It says no way, so I can't, guys. Alright, I'll still recording when the video comes, I guess. I mean, Foggy.